Today we're sitting down to talk with Karen about what it's like working at CMI. Karen, what's your role at CMI?
I'm the business administrator. The front office, it's not just myself. We are a solid team. We both work really hard together and we both do a lot of the same things. We're kind of interchangeable and that's intentional. There's accounts receivable, accounts payable. I'm the one that makes sure that the contracts are sent out. I've got to know where we stand throughout the process so then we can do the progress billing.
What do you think makes CMI such a great place to work?
They are willing to listen to their employees and they actually ask the employees what they think about things, if they have suggestions about how to make improvements with the company. It's an ever-evolving company and that I think is wonderful because then that allows room for growth. It's a very encouraging environment.
Who do you normally work with on the client side of CMI's projects?
I interface with, I guess you'd say, my counterparts at the general contractors' offices. They're the ones that I send the billing to, or I may have questions about something and make sure that I get it sent to them the way they want to see it.
How do you contribute to client success?
Being responsive. If somebody asks for something, I try to get that back to them as quickly as I can. So I know I want people to be responsive to me. So it's kind of like the old golden rule.
What does quality mean to you?
Quality is dependability. As a customer, you want to know that what you're getting is not something that was just slapped together, that actually has some heart and soul into it. You can feel that. Same with just our interactions with our customers, and you let them know that you care, and you care by being responsive. You care by listening to what they want. You care in the quality of material that you use, how things are put together. You want stuff to go out the door that is going to last a long time to provide your customer that quality and dependability.